In this video, I will be showing you how to fix the Deepseek AI login error. Let's get started. First, on the Deepseek sign-in page, I click on the phone number or email address field and select my saved email address. Then, I click on the password field. Since I seem to have forgotten it or am encountering an error, I click on the Forgot Password option just below. This redirects me to the Reset Password page. Here, I click on the email address or phone number input box and enter my email address again. Next, I click the Send Code button to receive a verification code. Now, I navigate to my Gmail inbox to find the verification email. I don't see it immediately in my primary inbox, so I refresh the page. After refreshing, the email from Deepseek arrives. I open it, and there is my verification code. I return to the Deepseek Reset Password tab and click on the Code Input field. Here, I type in the verification code I just received, 463150, and then I click the Continue button. On the next screen, I click the New Password field and type in my new password. I then click on the Confirm New Password field and retype the password to make sure they match. Once both fields are filled out, I click the Reset Password button. A pop-up appears confirming my password has been successfully changed, and Google Chrome asks if I want to save the updated password. I click Save. I also decline the Windows Hello prompt by clicking No thanks. Now, I am redirected back to the login page. My email address is pre-filled, so I click on the password field, enter my newly created password, and then click the Log In button. I successfully log into the platform. I click Save on the Google Chrome Password Manager to ensure my credentials are up to date and click No thanks on the next prompt. If you are still experiencing issues, another great troubleshooting step is to check the system status. I open the Deepseek status page at status.deepseek.com. Here, I can see that the API service and the web chat service are both showing 99% uptime, indicating everything is running smoothly on their end. Next, we can try clearing our browser data to resolve any caching issues. I click the three dots in the top right corner of Chrome, scroll down, and hover over More Tools, then click on Settings. In the Settings menu on the left side of the screen, I click on Privacy and Security, and then I select Delete Browsing Data. In the pop-up window, I ensure Browsing History, Cookies and Other Site Data, and Cached Images and Files are selected. I make sure the time range is set to All Time, and then I click the Delete Data button. To ensure extensions aren't interfering, I click the three dots in the top right of Chrome again, hover over Extensions, and select Manage Extensions. I scroll down to look at my active extensions and toggle off my VPN proxy extension to disable it temporarily, as VPNs can sometimes cause login errors. If you want to bypass browser issues entirely, you can also try using an incognito window. I click the three dots in Chrome, select New Incognito Window, and type Deepseek into the search bar. I click on the official Deepseek link in the search results to go to the sign-in page. Once again, I click on the email field, enter my email and password, and click Log In. We are back in and ready to start chatting. If you found this walkthrough helpful, please consider liking the video and subscribing for more quick tips and tutorials.